Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous gift box with the pink paper quilling flowers decoration, and this is actually the transparent box which I will show from scratch how to make the base, how to make the lid with the transparent opening, and how to create these gorgeous flowers. And I have filled the box with lots of chocolates, but you can put another gifts like jewelry, wristwatch or perfume, anything whatever you want to gift. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am starting with making the base of the box. For this I am taking 30 by 22 centimeter white cardstock, and from left side I have creased at 3.5, 7, 23 and 26.5 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, and from left side I have creased at 3.5, 7, 15 and 18.5 centimeters. Now we just need to cut the corners like this to construct the box. First I am cutting two lines vertically till the second crease line. Then rotate the sheet, cutting this first strip and cutting the second strip from bottom like this in a square. So with the same method I am cutting on left side. And similarly I am going to cut the remaining two sides. So it should look like this after cutting all four corners. Now I am folding all the creased parts, burnish it nicely using bone folder. First I am attaching these two sides using glue. And then here I am constructing the box shape like this. Similarly, repeat it on the another side. Now to make lid, here I am taking 20.2 by 12.2 centimeter cardstock, and from all four sides I have creased at 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 centimeters. Now with the same method as we did for base box, we have to cut the corners for lid as well. Then folding all the burnished parts or creased parts and then constructing the lid. Similarly finishing the remaining side. Then our lid is ready, and I have created here one frame by leaving 1 centimeter gap from all 4 sides, and I am going to cut this frame using X-Acto knife. You can do this step before constructing the lid as well. Here I am cutting the lid from top so that we can convert it into transparent lid. And this is done. Now on top of this I have attached double-sided tacky tape, so I am removing the liners and sticking one piece of acetate sheet on top of this. And the lid looks like this. Now I am decorating it from top using this cardstock rectangular frame. On back side of this frame as well I have added double-sided tape, so removing the liner and sticking it on the lid. So the beautiful and finished lid is ready, and our box is also ready, and this is fitting perfectly on the box. Perfect measurements, crisp and clear. Now I am decorating the box from outer side. I have already decorated from inner side using this beautiful floral pattern paper in purple shade. And similarly I am going to decorate the remaining sides. So I have decorated all the sides and the box should look like this. Then here I am taking same pattern paper which measures 16.2 by 8.2 centimeters. Now on the right side from top to bottom I am marking at 2.5 centimeters. Similarly on left side from top to bottom I am marking at 2.5 centimeters. Now in the bottom from left to right I am marking at 10 centimeters, and then we just need to join all these markings. Then I am cutting it using scissors. And it should look like this. Erasing the pencil markings, and then it will come on top of the lid like this. So pretty, like the folded napkin. Now from back side of this piece I am adding double-sided tape so that we can attach it on the lid. Since we have used acetate sheet here, that's why I am not using liquid glue to connect the pieces. Double-sided tapes work best with the acetate sheet. Removing the liner and sticking it on top of the lid. And this is done. Very pretty. Then I am decorating my box using some border cutouts. I have cut this scallop border using die and die cutting machine, but you can also use any kind of border punch, or even you can also use crochet laces to decorate the box. Similarly, I am decorating the box from bottom. Now I'm starting with making the flowers. For my first flower petal, here I am taking pink color strip, just making 3 loops in increasing order. Secure the end with glue. So petal is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more petal. We need 2 more petals with the same method using dark pink color strip, and one white color petal which is made using 4 loops in 3 mm. So I am combining all the petals together and constructing my complete petal. Wrapping this whole petal using dark pink strip. And similarly, we need total 9 petals. So joining all the petals together to construct the flower. Like this. Now to make the center, here I am taking half strip of white color in 10 mm, just folding it twice and start cutting it as a fringes. So this is done, opening the strip, and now sticking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm with this fringe strip. Then I am making my fringe flower from pink side. Like this, opening all the fringes. Then taking back my flower and connecting the fringe flower exactly in the center. So this is done, looking so pretty. And with the similar method, I have prepared one more flower, and we need one more big size flower. For this, I have used 5 petals for pink strips and 6 petals for white strip. The process is same. So this is done. Then for the filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm, making one teardrop shape. Joining 2 teardrops together and wrapping it using dark pink color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together to make the flower. Then to make the center of the flower, here I am taking half strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then sticking it in the center of the flower. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower already. Then to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some more leaves using light sap green color strip and dark green color strips in 3 mm. Then to make scroll, I am taking 2 pieces of 1/4 strip in dark green and 2 pieces of 1/4 strip in light sap green, gathering all together, folding it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer in one direction, cutting the bottom strips to making it in level. Add glue in the bottom to stick it all together, and the beautiful scroll is ready. With the similar method, I have already prepared some more scrolls. So all the shapes are ready. Taking back my box, and I will start arranging all my flowers and leaves on top of this. Then just to fill the extra space, I am adding here randomly dark pink color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strip in 3 mm. Then at the end I am adding this beautiful satin ribbon pink color bow with the lid like this, just for the decorations. And the super gorgeous gift box is ready. I have filled the box with lots of chocolates, but you can put jewelry or cash or any kind of perfume, wristwatch or cosmetics, anything whatever you like to give to your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.